Before hitting that confirm booking button for your Japan trip in 2025, hold on. Japan has changed, and smart travelers are changing with it. This year is bringing a wave of updates that are shaking up the way people explore the country. From new railway passes that double your freedom without doubling your costs, to deeply discounted Shinkansen tickets, streamlined airport arrivals, and even a proposed new tourist fee in Osaka, 2025 isn't just another travel year in Japan, it's a transformative one. Whether you're a first-time visitor hoping to check off Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, or someone who's been before and wants to venture into the serene countryside of Tohoku, or the heartwarming ryokan of Gifu, knowing what's new can mean the difference between an average trip and an extraordinary one. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how to save money on trains, avoid new tourist taxes, unlock access to authentic local experiences, and breeze through immigration like a VIP. Let's dive in. Number 1. The new 10-day JR East Pass. What it is, who it's for, and how to use it best. Starting May 15th, 2025. Travelers can now enjoy a longer, more flexible option for discovering Eastern Japan. The brand new 10-day JR East Pass. This is double the validity of the older 5-day version, giving visitors a full stretch of time to deeply explore the rich culture and scenic beauty of the Tohoku region. The Tohoku area, often overshadowed by Tokyo or Osaka, is where Japan reveals a quieter, more soulful side, from the hidden cherry blossom valleys in April to the vibrant Nehepta and Kanto summer festivals in August. This region invites a slower, more immersive journey. For those heading up north, this 10-day pass is ideal. Not only does it unlock unlimited JR East rail access across multiple prefectures, but when paired with local bus day passes in areas like Akita, Aomori, and Yamagata, it becomes a powerful travel tool, especially for those aiming to explore remote villages or Ohanshin towns where rail alone won't take you. The pass is available through the official JR East train reservation website, select travel service centers in Japan, and even authorized travel agencies abroad. One practical note: if you've only got a short itinerary or limited days in one area, the 5-day version may still be your best bet. But for those wanting to roam freely and cover serious ground without counting days, the new 10-day pass is a game changer. Number 2. 50% off Shinkansen tickets? Here's the catch, and how to beat it. A 50% discount on bullet train tickets might sound too good to be true, but it's real, and available throughout 2025. This initiative by JR East is part of an ongoing effort to make high-speed rail travel more affordable, particularly for routes connecting Tokyo with places like Hokkaido, Sendai, and Niigata. But, of course, there's a catch. These discounted seats are part of a limited quota and must be booked in advance. Once they're gone, they're gone. That's why early planning is essential. Let's take Tokyo to Hakodate as an example. Normally, this trip could cost over 23,000 yen. But with the 50% deal, travelers can shave off more than 10,000 yen from the price, making it significantly more affordable than flying when factoring in airport transfers and wait times. To find and secure these deals, using platforms like SmartEx or the JR East train reservation system is essential. Travelers should also install a Fare Alert app or check official JR social media for real-time announcements. It's also helpful to understand the differences in train seating. Reserved seats offer guaranteed comfort, but non-reserved seats are cheaper and ideal for those willing to be flexible. Then there's the green car, Japan's equivalent of first class. It's luxurious, but usually not necessary for short journeys. Those who plan well, book early, and avoid peak travel hours can enjoy one of the most iconic experiences in Japan, riding the Shinkansen at half the cost. Number 3. Should you still buy a JR Pass in 2025? Let's run the numbers. In the past, the nationwide JR Pass was considered a no-brainer for most tourists, but after the 2023 price hike, it's no longer the most budget-friendly option for every itinerary. The truth is, in 2025, travelers need to crunch some numbers before deciding. Tools like the JR Fare Calculator allow users to input their entire travel schedule and compare the total cost of individual tickets with the price of a full JR pass. The difference can be surprising. Imagine a 10-day itinerary covering Tokyo, Nagano, Kanazawa, Kyoto, and Osaka, while the full JR pass might still offer value. Mixing regional passes like the Hokuriku Arch Pass and the Kansei Hiroshima Area Pass could offer better flexibility and savings. Additionally, travelers should look into rail plus attraction bundles. For instance, pairing the JR East Pass with the Nikko All-Area Pass can reduce costs significantly when visiting that region. Ultimately, understanding your own route and being strategic with regional passes can lead to smarter spending and maybe enough savings for that extra sushi splurge. Number 4, 2025. Price adjustments, what's gone up, and where you can still save. While some train routes have become more affordable, others are heading in the opposite direction. JR has made price adjustments on select Shinkansen services, particularly during peak seasons. For example, the cost of a reserved seat on the Kyushu Shinkansen from Hakata to Kagoshima-Chu has increased by more than 1,000 yen compared to last year. This makes timing more important than ever. Traveling just outside of major holidays like Golden Week in late April, Obon in mid-August, or the New Year rush can lead to significantly cheaper fares and emptier trains. For travelers on a tighter budget, pairing rail travel with Japan's impressive long-distance bus network or low-cost domestic airlines such as Peach, Zip Air, or Jetstar may offer better value. These options may take a bit longer, but they're often worth considering, especially for travelers who prefer saving their yen for experiences rather than transportation. Number 5, the Osaka Tourist Fee, what it is and who has to pay it. With Expo 2025 set to bring millions of visitors to Osaka, the local government has proposed a new accommodation fee exclusively for foreign tourists. If approved, this tax would apply to all types of lodging, from hotels to ryokan, even Airbnb stays, starting as early as April 2025. The proposed fee ranges from around 300 to 1,000 yen per night, depending on the type and cost of your accommodation. It's important to note that this is separate from the standard lodging tax, which is already included in many hotel bills. While the policy hasn't been finalized, travelers should begin budgeting for it, especially those planning stays during the Expo window. The aim behind this fee is to support tourism infrastructure and manage crowd-related issues, part of Japan's broader shift toward sustainable tourism. Number 6, Japan's FastTrack Immigration in 2025, what travelers need to know. Navigating Japan's major airports has never been easier. Thanks to the streamlined FastTrack immigration system introduced nationwide, travelers can now pre-register their passport and arrival details online a few days before flying, which significantly shortens the wait time at immigration and customs. This system is currently active at Narita, Haneda, Kansai, and Chubu airports. After registering, visitors receive a QR code to present upon arrival, allowing them to skip the usual documentation lines and head straight to baggage claim. It's especially useful for families with young children, elderly travelers, or those arriving during busy time slots. And best of all, it's free. Travelers are encouraged to complete this process 3 to 5 days before departure for smooth entry into Japan. It's worth noting that the FastTrack line is different from Japan's biometric autogates. While both speed up entry, FastTrack is designed to reduce paperwork, while the autogates scan facial recognition for faster passport checks. Number 7, Universal Studios Japan Insurance Policy. Is it worth it? A day at Universal Studios Japan is meant to be unforgettable for the right reasons, but weather, illness, or unexpected emergencies can easily throw off even the best planned visits. That's why USJ introduced a new ticket insurance policy in March 2025. In partnership with IO Nisdohwa Insurance, the concept is simple. If something unavoidable, like a storm, sudden illness, or accident, forces a cancellation, The insurance provides either a refund or the option to reschedule, especially during Japan's rainy season in June or typhoon season in September. This extra protection can save travelers from costly disappointments. Adding the policy is easy at the time of ticket purchase, and while the cost is relatively low, the peace of mind it provides is high. Families, especially those traveling with kids, should strongly consider opting in. Combo packages that include ticket insurance and hotel stay are also expected to expand throughout 2025, making it even more convenient to plan a worry-free adventure at one of Japan's most beloved theme parks. Number 8. Rural Japan. 2025. Experiences worth leaving. Tokyo 4. Japan's bustling cities are a major draw, but in 2025, more travelers are discovering the quiet magic that lies far beyond Tokyo's neon lights and Kyoto's temple paths. Rural Japan is having a moment, and for good reason. In Gifu Prefecture, an experience known as Satoyama is redefining what it means to connect with Japan. This immersive travel concept brings visitors into close contact with nature and tradition. It's not just sightseeing, it's about participating. Imagine planting rice in a centuries-old field, learning the art of handmade washi paper, cycling through cedar-scented villages, or joining a local summer festival in a town where everyone still knows your name. These experiences are thoughtfully run by locals who open their homes and hearts. Many offer accommodation through programs like Satoyama Stay Nino Machi, where travelers can enjoy warm hospitality paired with modern comfort. Meals are lovingly prepared using local ingredients, and the pace of life encourages deeper conversations and quieter moments. Elsewhere, regions like Akita, Shimane, and Kochi are seeing a rise in visitors seeking authentic ryokan sohonsen combinations. These countryside inns not only offer relaxing hot springs, but also a window into Japan's seasonal cuisine and age-old hospitality. The good news for international travelers? Many of these ryokans now have English-friendly websites and are more accommodating of dietary preferences, including vegetarian and halal options, backed by the Japan Tourism Agency. New revitalization programs are also bringing attention and funding to rural areas. This means better transport connections, improved signage, and more inclusive services, all making it easier than ever to experience Japan's heartland without getting lost in translation. Number 9. Lost something in Japan? The system that will amaze you. One of the most astonishing things about traveling in Japan isn't a futuristic robot or a scenic view. It's what happens when you lose your wallet or phone. Japan's lost and found system is nothing short of legendary. And in 2025, it's become even more accessible for international travelers at train stations, shopping centers, or even on the street. Lost items are commonly turned in within minutes. What makes this so impressive isn't just the efficiency, it's the deeply rooted cultural norm of respect for others' belongings. Returning something that isn't yours isn't seen as a good deed. It's simply the right thing to do. Now, in response to growing numbers of international visitors, Japan has expanded English language support for lost item reports. Major train operators like JR East and JR Central allow travelers to file online reports in English, complete with item descriptions, contact information, and travel details if an item is lost on a train. Travelers can either report it online or visit the nearest station office. The staff are well-trained and genuinely eager to help. It's not uncommon for tourists to be reunited with a missing smartphone, bag, or even camera within just a few hours. This system isn't just convenient, it speaks volumes about the country's values. It's another layer of trust and peace of mind that makes Japan such a remarkable place to travel. Number 10. Expo 2025. Osaka. Why it might be worth a special trip. From April 13th to October 13th, 2025. Osaka will take center stage as host of Expo 2025, the first world exposition held in Japan in over half a century, themed Designing Future Society for Our Lives. The event promises a showcase of cutting-edge innovation, culture, and global collaboration like never before. The venue, built on the reclaimed island of Umeshima in Osaka Bay, has been designed to dazzle. Visitors can expect pavilions from more than 150 countries, each offering exhibits on future technologies, sustainability, food security, healthcare, and AI-enhanced living. It's not just a tech show, it's a vision of tomorrow brought to life for travelers planning a visit. One major update is worth noting. Not all days require advance booking. Many passes, including flexible half-day or discounted afternoon entry, will be released throughout the event. This means travelers who don't want to commit months in advance can still enjoy spontaneous visits. Accommodation-wise, staying in areas like Namba or Tennoji offers great access to both the Expo site and the vibrant city life of Osaka. These neighborhoods are known for their nightlife, local street food, and easy train connections. For those building an Osaka itinerary around Expo 2025, it's easy to combine with other attractions. Universal Studios Japan for thrills, Team Lab Botanical Garden for immersive art, and Kuromon Ichiba Market for the freshest sashimi and street snacks. Together, these make for a rich and varied travel experience, one that blends the future with the flavor of Japan's everyday life. As Japan continues to adapt and evolve, travelers in 2025 have more tools and more opportunities than ever before. But the secret to a smooth and unforgettable trip lies in preparation. Start with the right travel apps. Japan Travel by Navitime is a comprehensive planner that helps navigate trains, buses, and walking routes in English. For local transport, having mobile versions of Suica or Pasmo can save time and effort at ticket machines, especially in busy cities. And don't overlook the power of Google Lens. It can translate menus, train signs, and storefronts in real time with surprising accuracy. Connectivity is key. Buying a local SIM or eSIM with unlimited data ensures travelers can stay online, access maps, translate text, and book last-minute tickets without stress. Many providers now cater specifically to Expo visitors, offering short-term plans with generous coverage. But perhaps the most important advice: in 2025, Japan invites travelers not just to explore more, but to explore deeper. Beyond the cities, beyond the guidebooks, lie moments of quiet discovery, genuine connection, and timeless beauty.